Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to online classes in Division Public School and College Sahiwal. Today is Maths lecture number 4, class 7, presented by Ms. Rakshi Ramzan, SS Mathematics in Division Public School and College Sahiwal. By the end of this lesson, students, you will be able to know about operations on sets and union of 2 and 3 sets. As you know already about it, the sets. What is set? Set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects or numbers. Collection of well-defined and distinct objects or numbers. For example, here n is a set of natural or counting numbers. Here n is a set of counting or natural numbers. That is, n is a set consisting of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And here n is a set which consists of the elements of natural number x such that x belongs to n. बच्चों आपने सेट के बारे में पढ़ा हुआ है. सेट इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड एंड डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स और नंबर्स. Well defined mean a specific property which enable the elements to be a part of set or not. And distinct means same object should not appear more than once. आप इसमें देख सकते हैं कि n हमारा एक नेचुरल नंबर का सेट है. सेट ऑफ नेचुरल और काउंटिंग नंबर है. n is a set which consists of the counting और natural numbers. आपके पास जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म दी गई है, it is a way of writing a set in the descriptive form, and the next is a set of writing a set in a tabular form. It is a way of writing a set in a tabular form. And the third one is a set which is a way of writing a set in a set builder form. In unit number 1, sets, today we will discuss about exercise number 1.2, question number 1, 1 to 5 questions, and question number 3 and 4. Students, operations on set. Today we will discuss about what is operations on sets. Union of two sets. What do you mean by union of two sets? If we have two sets, we want to find the union of two sets A and B. If we want to find the union of two sets A and B, which is a set consisting of all the elements which are in set A or in set B or in both, but no element is repeated. बच्चों, यूनियन का मतलब क्या होता है कि दो सेट्स का यूनियन का मतलब ये होता है कि आपने ए और बी के दो सेट्स का यूनियन ऐसे मालूम करना है कि जिसमें तमाम सेट्स के एलिमेंट्स हों जो सेट ए में भी मौजूद हों और सेट बी में भी हों. बट लेकिन आपने एक बात ध्यान रखनी है कि नो एलिमेंट्स शुड बी रिपीटेड. The union of two sets is denoted by A union B and is read as A union B. For example, आप इसको एग्जाम्पल से समझ सकते हैं. जैसे कि हमारे पास if A is a set consisting of the elements A, E, I, O, U and B is a set which consists of the elements A, B, C and then we have to find A union B. तो सबसे पहले A union B मालूम करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Sets लिखेंगे. A is a set which has elements A, E, I, O, U and B is a set which has element A, B, C. ठीक है, हमारे पास A is a set which has elements. हमारे पास A के elements कौन कौन से हैं? A, E, I, O, U and B is a set which has elements A, B, C. Now we want to find the union of both the sets. And union of both the sets we can find A union B. सबसे पहले हम A union B लिखेंगे, which is equal to, first we write the set A, then union, and then we write the set B. आप यहाँ दे सकते हो कि A is an element which has in both the sets A and B. In both the sets A is present. And when we find the union of both the sets, we will just write only one time A, not repeat the elements. Okay, A, B, C, E, I, O, U. आपने A को सिर्फ one time लिखना है because we will not repeat the elements of the sets. If we have the same element A, we will write only one time. Okay, and it is our answer. Now we will come on the next. We will have to find the union of three sets. अगर आपको कहा जाए कि थ्री सेट्स का यूनियन मालूम करें, how can you find it? Following are the steps to find the union of three sets. Number one steps. Step number one. First you will find the union of any two sets. बच्चों आपने सबसे पहले क्या करना है? Find the union of any two sets, and then we will find out the union of remaining third set and the set that we get as a result of the first steps. हमने क्या करना है? सबसे पहले जो हमारे पास कोई होंगे, तीन सेट्स होंगे हमारे पास, सबसे पहले हमने उनमें थ्री सेट्स में से किसी दो सेट्स का यूनियन लेना है. Then we will find the union of the remaining third sets and the set that we get as a result of the first steps. Students, for example, we have 4 and 3 sets A, B, C. Their union can be taken in any of the following way. हम इसे दो तरह से मालूम कर सकते हैं. Number 1, A union bracket B union C. सबसे पहले B union C मालूम करेंगे. Then the answer जो आएगा हमारे पास as a set, उसका हम A के साथ union लेंगे. सेकेंड हमारे पास क्या है? सबसे पहले हम A union B लेंगे. Then जो हमारे पास रिजल्टेंट सेट आएगा उसका हम C के साथ यूनियन लेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप इसको ऐसे समझ सकते हो कि जैसे हमारे पास A is a set which has element 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is a set which has element 3, 4, 5, 6 and C is a set which has elements 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. आपने मालूम क्या करना है? A union bracket B union C. And how can we find it? We will find it as A union bracket B union C. सबसे पहले हम A set लिखेंगे, फिर union, फिर हम small bracket, फिर हम आगे सेट B एंड देन यूनियन सेट C. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बच्चों आपने और सेट B और सेट C का आपने यूनियन लेना है. ओके, देखिए हमने जब सेट B और सेट C का यूनियन लिया हमारे पास क्या सेट आया है? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and you can see 6 is repeated here but we will write only one time 6. तो हमारे पास इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ये हमारे पास जो रिजल्टेंट सेट आया है B और C का यूनियन लेने से. फिर हमने इनका यूनियन लेना है A के साथ, सेट A के साथ फिर हमने इसका यूनियन लेना है. And then we get the answer. When we take the union of set A with union of set B and C, we get the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that one. Here's 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are repeated element in both the sets. In both sets, 3 and 4 are present, but with the same elements, but we will write only one time that elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and we will write only one time and that is our required answer. And in this way we can find the union of a three sets A union bracket B union C, and first of all we will find the union of B and C and then we take the union with A sets and we get the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 which is a set which has a set which is the answer of the set A union bracket B union C. Now students, in unit number 1, set exercise number 1.2, we will find the union of the following sets. Number 1, set A, question number 1. In question number 1, first part, we will solve it. Here A is a set which consists of the elements 1, 3, 5 and B is a set which consists of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will have to find out the union of A union B. First we write down A union B. सबसे पहले हमने क्या करना है? We will write down set A union, then we write down the set B and we will see to find the union of both the sets. We will see here 1 is present in both the sets which are common elements, so we will write only one time. Here 3 is also present in both the sets, we will write only one time and we will get the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when we combine the element of both the sets and it is our required answer. And next we have question number 1, third part. X is a set which is a consist of the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and Y is a set which consists of the elements 1, 5, 10, and we have to find the union of both the sets and X union Y. In X union Y, first we write the set X and then union we write the set Y, and when we take the union of both the sets we get the answer 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and you can see here 10 is a common element, so we will write only one time in the resultant set, and that is our required answer. And now come on the next question number 1, part 4. Here we have to find out the union of three sets. Here C is a set which consists of the elements I, O, U, and D is a set which consists of the elements A, E, U, and E is a set which consists of the elements I, E, and U, and we will have to find the union of three sets. Take the union of D and E, and then we get the resultant set, and then we take the union of that resultant set with the set C. Here we write down set C which has elements I, O, U, and union small brackets A, E, O, and which is a set of D set, union of set E, I, E, U, and we will find the union of D and E. When we find the union of D and E, we get the resultant set A, E, I, O, U. बच्चों आपने सबसे पहले D और E का यूनियन लिया, आपने देखा यहाँ पर E हमारे पास रिपीट हो रहा है, तो इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, E is a common element. E is a common element in both the sets, so we will write only one time. And again we can see here, and after taking the union of D and E, we will write down A, E, I, O, U, which is a set of D, union of D and E, and then we take the union of D and E with C, and we get the resultant set A, E, I, O, U. You can see here I, O, U are common element of both the sets, so we write the common element only one time. In this way we can get the union of the both three sets A, E, I, O, U, and that is our required answer. Now students, we can see here another question number 1 part 5, and we have L is a set which consists of the elements 3, 6, 9 and 12. M is a set which consists of the elements 6, 12, 18 and 24, and N is a set which consists of the elements 4, 8, 12 and 16, and we will find the union of these three sets. First of all, we will take the union of set L and M. Here is a set L is a consist of the elements 3, 6, 9 and 12, and union M is a set which consists of the elements 6, 12, 18 and 24. First of all, we will find the union of these both sets, and then we take the union with the set N, which is consist of the elements 4, 8, 12 and 16. And when we take the union of L and set M, we get the answer 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 24. And when we get the answer of L union M, we will take the union with that set with N. Here N is a set which consists of the elements 4, 8, 12 and 16. Now we will take the union of both the sets. We get the resultant set 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18 and 24, and that is our required answer. Now students, we have another question number 3. If N is a set of natural numbers and W is a set of whole numbers, and then we will find the union of N and W. यानी we have to find out the N union W. सबसे पहले बच्चों आपको तो पता है नेचुरल नंबर्स क्या होते हैं, जबकि हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1. नेचुरल नंबर इज अ सेट व्हिच कंसिस्ट ऑफ स्टार्टिंग नंबर 1, 2, 3. नेचुरल नंबर और काउंटिंग नंबर हमारे पास 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, तो ये हमारे पास सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, सेट ऑफ ऑल natural numbers. And W is a set which contain 0 and with the counting numbers, and we get the set whole numbers and whole number and the natural number. So we have N is a set which consists of starting from 1, and W is a set which is starting from 0, and together 0 with together with the natural number is called whole number. And we will first write down the set, and then we will take the union of both the sets, means we will take the union of natural number and whole number. And you can see here first we write the natural numbers, and here we have a set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and we take the union with the set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 so on. And you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the common element both the sets, so we will write down only one time. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are the whole number. You can see here is a 0 with a counting number, natural numbers is a whole number, so we will get the resultant set N union W, which is equal to W. That is our required answer. Students, today we have discussed about the union of 2 and 3 sets by using sum of exercise 1.2 related to the question number 1, 3 and 4. And now it is time for your home assignments. Home assignments, you have to solve exercise number 1.2, question number 1, part 2 and question number 4. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.